Today we're gonna remember that Parmesan camera. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi. Hi.
Do you want your face camera? Okay. Okay, that's our grandma. You can't really see her face because we're gonna blur it. You don't really see her.
Ellie.
You know what I love? Those cheese rolls that like.
Ellie, that.
Oh yeah.
That's.
I love those. Yeah. Guys, if you want a mini bird, it's so good. Remember that video we filmed in the playground? This is part 2. No, it's not part 2. Well, remember that? That was so fun. Because that was today, and we're filming it today, too. Remember that time where we went to the playground earlier? Scooch a little bit. Good. There. Yeah, so. But we're going to be a little bit on the edge. Oh, yeah. Ow. Oh, are you okay? Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Look. We just need something to. There. Okay, yeah, guys. Let me just go. Maybe Okay, guys. So it's called Mini Bird. It's a really good place. It was new, but now it's not.
Wait, this one is
It's fine. We need to use it for a second. Okay, guys. Yeah. So I don't know what to do. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. We can you guys know fast food. Yeah, fast food. That you guys know lemonade. Sorry, lemonade. Crunchy ice. Sip it.
You have this there.
No.
Why?
We wipe it here. Lemonade. Crunchy ice. Sip it one.
You want to go there in the corner?
Ellie, over here.
Yeah. Wait. I find it. Hold on, Grandma said she's gonna wipe it.
I'll put it in the middle. It's just there's over there.
Some more. Wait, some more.
Okay, guys, can I put it here? I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, it's fast forward.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna fast forward this until we get our thing. Okay. Okay. Crunchy ice. Sip it once. Sip it twice. Lemonade, crunchy ice. Sip it once. Sip it twice. Take your boyfriend out of town. Toast. You know what's the other way? Lemonade, crunchy ice. Sip it once. Sip it twice. Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Wait, no, I forgot that way. Lemonade, crunchy ice. Sip it once. Sip it twice. Coca-Cola, Pepsi. I forgot. Okay, is our drink? Is our little? Okay, fast forward 3, 2. Okay,
Yeah, now you might forget my wallet.
Done fast forward. Okay, so guys, we just fast forward because a little bit. It's taking a very little time. So let's just fast forward again. You do. Three, two, okay, good. It's almost here. I see it. Yeah. It's okay, Mom. Wait, here comes the shark. Ellie! Remember, on TikTok. You guys know this? No, this. You guys know this? Like, remember what? Jump on. Oh, shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. I don't know. Wait, I told you. I know, but I'm shame, shame, shame. I don't know. Go. I don't wanna go to Mexico no more. There's a big fat policeman in my door. Drive me through the car. I forgot. Yeah, same. Damn it. Okay, should we just do the tic-tac-toe? Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. Give me an X, give me an O. Give me a 3 in a row. No, it's not. Oh, no, wait. Tic-tac-toe. No. Give me an X. Remember? No, it's not that. No, it's like tic-tac-toe. No, it's this one. Tic-tac-toe. No, no. No. Tic-tac-toe. Give me an X, give me an O. Give me a 3 in a row. Johnny got hit by a U.S. bomb and landed in a marshmallow. Not fair, not fair. Now I get to pull your hair. Anyway, not nice.
What's your drink, Ellie?
Oh, Mama, I want those cheese curls that stretches the cheese.
Oh, I'll buy you. Alin yun? Yung cheese curds.
Oh, wait, fast forward it, guys. Okay.
I'll get this sports. Yeah. Okay, one each with the bread, okay?
Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna
I'll
get
buy you,
my
Ellie, okay? Let's eat this first.
drink.
Yeah, this is my. This, can you share with Yana? But you usually just drink water, right?
Guys, this is so crispy. Very crispy. So.